Today we're going to be speaking about uProfile Builder. Once logged into the uWorld community, all you simply do is click on the uProfile tab link and it would bring you to this page. This is where you get to create your own billboard. This is where you'll be able to create and share with the world your brilliance, your purpose, your passion, and anything having to do with benefiting your life by exposing and sharing it with the world. This is a publicly viewed profile. There are zero privacy settings here, so anything that you would not like to present to the world at large, simply do not include it. Now, you have the ability to create information about your personal life, which is some things are very standard, some things are maybe a little bit more unique, which helps an individual get to know you quickly if they actually view your profile. Your career life is very similar to many platforms where you'd have your work background, some of your professional standings, and education. In your leisure life, it's a little bit more comprehensive than most of the time you might see out there in the world, because we're trying to give you an opportunity to really share your passion, share what we call your bucket or dream list with others, so that there could be some connectivity based on common interest, need, or cause. The last two links are very, very unique to our profile, and let's take a look at my links now. Here is where you have the ability to create actual links to anything that's important to you. So that can be any social sites, any WordPress, any blogs, any affiliate programs, any businesses or community or affinity or cause-based activity that you support, a number of things that you could use here. Now, why do this? Well, number one, it gives everyone the ability to see what you associate with. Number two, you're able to promote everything about you that you want people to either gravitate to or possibly buy from you, all in one place. Number three, because we allow all the major search robotics to crawl your profile and index them on this World Wide Web search engines, these become what are called cross-links. So there's a benefit to Unittus, there's a benefit to you personally, and there's a benefit to each one of the companies or entities that you would list here under my links. The final tab is My Showcase. My Showcase is where you can, in a sense, set up a store, you can set up a photo albums, you can set up actual individual aspects of different things that you market or sell. It's truly customizable and unlimited to you. And you basically give an opportunity to title, subject, have a nice graphic image with a link that would go directly to that source. So you could actually set up a store. Now, what is the benefit of this? Well, again, it associates you with things that might be important that you want to share with the world, but at the same time, this also benefits any topic or product or thing that you're trying to expose the world to here, because of us allowing the search robotics to search and index this. So they could be searching by these keywords or by the hyperlink that's provided here within the graphic area. So take your time, have fun, put as many keywords as you want. There's drop downs in each one of these. To manage your pictures, you simply come to the Manage Your UPics. We allow you to organize your pictures in social category, your leisure category, and a career category. The other thing you can do within your profiles is you can set the tabs in terms of which tabs that you may have an interest in having. Let's say that you're really only using this for business and you don't want to have your social life tab on there at all. You would simply delete it and you could bring it back at any time. The other feature that we have is that we allow you to decide which tab you want people to see first. So you would simply, after you've made your decision here, you would update that, and your step 2 would be to say, which one of these 5 tabs that you want to be as the default one that you see first. So we just updated ours, and we're going to simply go back to the profile, and you're going to see that we elected to have the showcase as the first default tab. You can still view all the other tabs, but whether it be here on the Inside uWorld community or on the public view of your profile, anyone who would come to your profile would see this page first. Now let's go see what happens when we look at your profile on the World Wide Web. What you're seeing here is that public profile on the World Wide Web outside the uWorld community. This is what everyone would have the ability to see, and what's powerful about this is we give them enough that gives them enough information but not everything, and if they want to connect with you they would simply connect with me now. What's really unique about the uWorld community and the Unittus opportunity, if that person does connect with you now, and if you have an interest in building a business with Unittus, that individual would automatically come within what we call your U team. So again, we're creating social commerce, or what we call and coined as a social ecosystem. So in other words, all the content that you create for the benefit of you is being benefited to you by the way that we do our commerce here on Unittus. So that talks a little bit about your profile. The more information you put on your profile, the more ability to be found in searches and from our sponsors, which are trying to communicate with very filtered people in terms of a specific attribute you may have. So take your time, have fun, fill out your profile, save it, and you can change it at any time. Think of this as your personal website about you and what you want the world to share.